Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out the Brow Styler from Benefit Cosmetics. It's a multitasking pencil and powder for brows, and I love brow products, and I especially love Benefit brow products. And so I was so happy to get this in my June 2021 Boxyluxe box, which if you have not seen my unboxing of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. I got this in the shade 2.5 Neutral Blonde. I was looking this up online and I saw that it actually comes in a lot of shades, especially for a brow pencil. I feel like sometimes you just get light, medium, dark, but not with Benefit. They had a lot of shades, which I really appreciate. It retails for $34, which is very expensive in my opinion for a brow product, but it is 2-in-1, which is really cool. I love that it comes with a little pamphlet with tips and tricks, and packaging is so cute. So on one end here, we have a pencil, angled shape, and then on the other end, oh, I think you're actually supposed to shake it up, there is powder, which I use a brow pencil every day, followed by actually the Benefit brow gel, but I'm not very used to using powder. So I'm very intrigued to see how I'm gonna feel about it, how it's gonna look. I think what I wanna do is, I have two brows, there's two ends. I'm gonna start out by using just the powder on one eyebrow and just the pencil on the other eyebrow. So let's start with the pencil to fill in one of my brows. I do wish this had a spoolie. I have just a separate spoolie on the side, but I kind of want to see how this is, just the product all on its own, no spoolie. So taking the pencil, it's going to, ooh, it actually does very precise fine lines for a little hair-like look. Just fill in the arch. I love that it's looking so hair-like and natural at the front there, because that's where my brows are really sparse and I really try and shape them. So it says that the pencil here is actually a wax pencil that's waterproof, 18-hour wear. I love that. And I'm loving the color. Isn't it just the perfect match in my brow? Okay, I love that. I feel like that was so quick and easy to fill in my brow, and look at that. It looks so natural. There's no visible product in it, and the little lines seriously look like hairs because of how fine they are, and also just it's a perfect shade match to go in with my brow. So you can't see the difference between what's a line from the pencil and what's my actual hair. So that's very key. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try the powder side. I do like this applicator. It's a very tiny angled, like the teeniest little doe foot. Here you can see that tiny applicator. This seems pretty easy to work with. Let's find out. Also, I really like how the brow with the pencil looks without even using a spoolie. I feel like it gives it a little bit more of a natural, messy look. But okay, gosh, I don't even know. Okay. The powder looks really good in the tail. Let's see how it looks at the front of my brow, where I feel like it's gonna look the most obvious. But wow, okay, this is actually very natural looking. It kind of just reminds me of using a very lightly pigmented eyeshadow throughout the brow. I almost feel like, well, actually, now looking at the two brows, this one looks a lot darker, right? But I was gonna say that I feel like the powder is more subtle than the pencil, just like it applies less product. But then when I looked up and saw the difference in color in between my two brows, I'm like, oh, maybe it's not as subtle. I do feel like for the powder, I need to brush it through with a spoolie because I don't feel like it's completely evenly dispersed. And with the powder, I can't get that like hair-like line at the front like I did with the pencil. So it just looks less natural, looks a little bit more blocky. But that's very interesting, the difference. Let me do a zoomed in view so that you can see the difference in the brows. I'm very shocked by how different my brows look right now. I definitely prefer the look of the brow with the pencil. So now let's try combining the two. So I'm gonna go in with the pencil to fix the brow with the powder, get a little bit more of a precise shape, fill in the front here a little bit more. So I think that looks better, but I just love the way the pencil looks on its own. This just looks so natural, perfectly shaped. This side, now it has that perfect shape, but it doesn't look as natural. Now let's see if I go over the brow with the pencil in the powder, how this looks. So yeah, basically I just feel like this fills in the brow, makes it more solid. It also is darkening the brow. So I think it's about preference. Do you want more of a feathered look? Do you want more of a solid look? And I mean, I feel like my brow preference is evolving and changing. And I used to really want the solid, full, filled in brow like this here. But now I think I'm a little bit more into the feathered, more hair-like look. But still, the finished result, now both brows look much more similar and they look good. Like, I will continue wearing my brows like this for the rest of the day, but it's just personally not my favorite brow product. And for $34, if I'm gonna spend that, I want it to be my favorite. And I would just prefer to use the pencil followed by the Benefit Brow Gel. I don't know if they have a duo of that, but if they did, that would be my perfect brow product, probably. But since brow preference is so personal, I would love to hear in the comments down below if you like this product, your favorite way to use it, your favorite way to fill in your brows. So definitely let me know in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.